Right, so the trucks and the singular Mini are gridded up and ready to go. Robert's in pole position, followed by Tom, Nick, Jamie, Amy, Lee with the Mini, Charlie and Andy at the back in the Rockstar truck. So light green at the front, the pole man. Away they go. Fairly clean start. Oh, Amy's been flipped over, but fairly clean as truck racing goes. Oh, we've got a different leader though. So what's that, Tom? Is that Tom stolen the lead? So our front two men, Tom and Robert, do have a few yards advantage. Although we've got the Mini coming round in third now. From his sixth place start, that's a good first lap. And who's that? Last week's champion. I think Nick missed a lap one as well with the Martian. Right, Robert's back in the lead, I think. Although Tom is... Oh, he's rammed his way through. Oh, is he waiting? Is he waiting? He did wait. Exactly. Oh, no. Made a mess of the last corner. First corner, whichever way you look at it. So, yeah, I think second, third, fourth and fifth, maybe. So, the front four together. We've got Amy. I know they're all top six are on the same lap. And the Mini just muscled its way past Robert's truck. So purple and white still leading the way. The Mini is back to third. Oh, hip and a shoulder pass at the far end of the track. Retake second. So your race leaders are both on the straight, separated by about the length of the straight. Amy's now in third. Here comes Amy now through the left-handers, through the right-hander and onto the short straight. Robert right behind her with a fast-looking purple truck. Oh, into the barrier. Is the fast purple? Is that Jamie? Charlie's on his side, couldn't self-right. So obviously not quite got that skill yet. It looks very understeery to Charlie's truck, especially turning right. I went through that bit alright. Some of the other trucks do seem to get around these corners somewhat better. Right, so I think it's still Tom with the purple truck leading the way, carving through the field. 3 minutes done. Who's got our best lap? Yeah, looks like Tom is the fastest man out there. Lee in second, Robert still in third, Jamie fourth, Amy fifth, Charlie in sixth, Nick seventh and Andy still bringing up the rear. My word, nearly... Oh, there's a bit of cheating trying to go on there with Ewan and Charlie, but Charlie's precision did not quite fit the bill. Well, Charlie just made a nice move on the Mini there. Or was the... Oh no. Not sure who parts two. Well, Charlie's over. Just grip rolled into the chicane. Race leader's in a bit of traffic. He's been a bit beaten up, but young Tyler runs out to repair the track. He's a bit brave with his fingers with these trucks going round. I blame him for getting out of there quick. Charlie's found the self-righting mechanism that time. The final 30 seconds. We've still got the top 4 on the same lap, which is not bad for a track race. Lee has got quite a good lead. Sorry, Tom has got quite a good lead over Lee. There goes the buzzer, there goes your race lead around the final corner onto the straight, and he takes the victory. So Tom, Lee and Robert are your podium finishers. Oh, there we go, what a great night's racing, thanks very much.